Hey guys, it's Jumpy Riot X, and today we are talking about the Profusion Chocolates 21 eyeshadow palette. Comes with a brush. I love Profusion. 90% of the products I try from Profusion. There have been a handful that I just didn't work out for me. Most things from Profusion I love, especially their palettes. I just think you get so much for your money. Like, these are usually around $10, but I found it at Marshall's for $6.99, which is usually what you can get it for anyway if you go to Target and they have like a sale going on or something like that, or if you go to the website and there's like a sale going on there. Profusion is one of those like brands that are so stupid affordable, but you get a really great product for your money. I highly recommend looking into them. And I'm also gonna mention my friend Sharon, who has a channel on here, who actually used this in a video in the past, and she's actually the reason I wanted to try it, because I first saw it on shelves and I was like, it looks kind of boring. And I guess I didn't realize like what kind of shades it had in it. Like there's this gorgeous matte green and these shimmery mattes. There's like an antique gold. It's a really nice and slightly different neutral palette. And I never do like everyday makeup, I guess you could say. Like most of my videos, I'm doing something like outlandish. So this is gonna be kind of like my everyday makeup look. And definitely check out Sharon's channel. She's one of those like honest, down-to-earth YouTubers that are really hard to find nowadays. I will leave her link in the box below. Make sure you check her out and let her know that I sent you. She has really good videos, and she only puts out videos when she has something to film. She doesn't just put out shit videos to put out videos. Like she does, all the videos she does are like, their substance. They're actually about something. She's not just like, okay, it's Tuesday, I have to film something, so I'll just film this. Like she does good declutters, she does good tutorials, and they're all very like down to earth, easy, fun to watch. She's really chill, so I highly recommend checking her out if you're looking for a new YouTuber to watch. Even if you're not, she's a great channel to watch, so check her out. All right, so here we go. We are going to get into this. I've already set and powdered down my shadow. So, all right, so we are going to be using this shade right here first. This shade is called Likeable, and it's like a matte, deep cream shade. And we're going to be using this SL Miss Glam. Is that what this is called? This surprised me. I made fun of the packaging because it came in like a plastic bag, which looked like plastic cutlery would have came in. But I use this like almost every day. So this is the Miss Glam SB68 brush, and I got this in an Ipsy not long ago. Let's see, we're gonna use my Sigma. I really should know these all by heart. It's the E25, it's one of my favorite ones. And we're gonna go in with this shade right here, Fuse. Now my only issue with this palette is it jumps right from that last shade to the matte green and the black. So I am gonna dip into another palette just to kind of get like an in-between brown shade. I've been obsessed with this. This is the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte 42 color shadow palette. It's really amazing. And just recently it was on sale for like $12. And BH Cosmetics shadows are pretty good, but this like really beats the shit out of any formula they've ever put out. Like this is just amazing. So I'm gonna go in with a slightly deeper shade than what I just used from this BH palette, and I'm just gonna add that. All right, and I'm actually gonna slap some of this black on kind of near the lash line, and then just add like a champagne shade to finish it off, and easy peasy. And you know what? I really do love this green shade, so we're gonna smoke out the bottom lash line with this. So it's kind of fun, but it's still pretty easy for like every day. I guess I'm gonna use my Morphe M321 brush for that. All right, and now I'm gonna go back in with that first shade that we used, Likeable right here. And I'm just gonna kind of blend everything together. I was gonna do a cut crease, but I always do a cut crease, so I'm literally just gonna take one of these like metallics and just dot it over, just again, for more of like an everyday kind of look. You know what, we're gonna do Joy right here, which is like this nice kind of gold shade. And with my finger, I'm just gonna tap it all over the lid. Very pretty, nice and pigmented. And even without the glitter glue or concealer base, it's very nice. So at the end, when I'm done the rest of my makeup, I'm gonna swatch like some of these metallics because they're gorgeous. And also, the brushes they put in here are fantastic. Like, they actually beat the shit out of the Urban Decay like double-ended brushes they put in their naked palettes. They're amazing. I just didn't use it today. I might actually use this side, but this side I just didn't need this kind of brush today. But all right, so the rest of my face is done pretty much. I still have to do highlight and finish the eyes. And like I said, I'm gonna go in with, I think I'm gonna do the green and smoke out the under eye with that. And I'm gonna use the flat short side of the brush that came with it. So I totally fucked up my hair. And I think I'm gonna smoke it out with that likable color again. So I'm gonna use my Morphe G13 to smoke out the under eye further. If I look a few shades tanner than when you last saw me, it's because I grabbed my bronzing brush to put on my powder today. All right, now we're gonna go back in. I'm gonna go into this shade up here called Illusion, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. Use my ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in, this is like a deep forest green shade and it's called Swerve. All right, and we're gonna go in with we'll do the E.L.F. Jelly Highlighter today in Bubbly. This dries so freaking fast, so you really have to be like fast when you apply this. And it's got more of that like silvery tone to it. You can kind of see a little bit of that silvery tone, but I'm just gonna ignore it. Like, you really have to blend this out fast. I've been using my Makeup Revolution one, the Monumental Jelly Highlighter, which might be my favorite highlighter that I've tried so far this year. It's just perfection. This is nice too, but the undertone's just kind of weird. Like, the little too, like, taupey, like neutral. Ugh, it's really pretty though. All right, so there's a finished look. What do you guys think? Just a nice, easy, everyday makeup look. Before I get into the swatches, I'm gonna tell you what the fuck's going on with my hair, because I'm an idiot. So I have been a hairstylist for, what fucking year is it? I got my license. I've been a hairstylist, a licensed professional hairstylist, since 2001. And for some reason today, I decided to just go balls to the wall and do something that, like, I'm usually kind of a pussy when it comes to my hair. I just kind of stick with my pink. Sometimes I'll add like a deeper purple root. And today I was like, you know what? I want it like dark purple for my roots and then like hot pink on my ends. And then I was like, oh, let's throw some orange in there too. So it makes the ends look kind of like corally. You know what happens when purple fucking touches orange? Do you? Because I do. I made it touch anyway though. And I had these like muddy, like brownish looking streaks in my hair, and then I had to re-put this fucking hot pink on the ends. It doesn't look horrible now, but this is not what I was going for. Not that you care, but I just need someone to share this with. All right, so on with the swatches. I'm just going to like, I'm not gonna swatch like the basic like matte shades because I use most of them anyway today, but I'll show you a lot of the metallics. So this is the first row. We have Frolic, Illusion, Tango, and Glory. The second row of metallics, we have Demo, Joy, Carefree, and Sunny. The Sunny shade is crazy. And then the last three in the middle row are, we have Focus, Tiger Eye in the middle, and this green, which is gorgeous, is called Cypress. And this is more of a, like, this is the kind of shade you would have to put over like a glitter glue or some kind of like primer if you really want it to pop. And now onto the last row we have, all right, this first one's more of like a satiny shade, but this is Roots, Blitz, which is right here, which is incredible, Throne, and then the last green one is Wicked. All right, so same thing with that Blitz shade. So basically these two shades will work their best with a primer or glitter glue underneath. Like, this one's just crazy. But I mean, those will work their best like with a primer. But I mean, these palettes are such a great deal. I can't even get over it. I don't know how they put such good, this isn't sponsored either. I don't know how they put such good shadows and so many for the price. Because even if this wasn't $6.99, this is well worth the full price of $10 or whatever the fuck it is. So that was it. What did you guys think of my easy peasy eye look? Have you guys tried any of the Profusion palettes? Let me know in the box below and tell me which one's your favorite. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Make sure you check out Sharon's channel again. I'll leave it in the box below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.